Continuing with the ES300 redo project, today we'll be replacing the rear struts and the sway bar links.
Disconnect this brake line. I had treated these with penetrating oil the previous day, so maybe they'll spin off real easy. Yep, spun right off. Yeah. Now we'll remove the nuts that holds the strut on the lower knuckle. Okay, now the knuckle is just separating from the suspension strut. See that? Okay, we start by removing the lower seat cushion. There's two mounting points. So just pull up, put your hand underneath, pull up. Pull up on this side. Just tilt the seat up and just pull it out. And you have these little clips over here that hold the seat belt in place. Move this off to the side. We're going to remove this belt here so we'll be able to get the seat out a little bit easier. Now, the way this seat comes up, you have to push up and then pull out. You got this vapor barrier here. We have to pull this out. And there, that exposes the three mounting points. This is the last nut. It's going to be constant tension because the strut is dropping while I'm loosening up the nut. So what I'll do is hold the strut with my left hand while I remove the nut with my right hand. Okay, so I got the nut off. Now I can remove the strut out of the car. What I do sometimes is put a jack underneath the knuckle to help raise it up. Alright, this is a new sway bar link. I'll hook this up. That's it. I'm done.